Hello everyone, myself Professor A.B. Zanzad from Kekwa College of Agricultural Engineering and Technology Nasik, working in Department of Irrigation and Drainage Engineering. Today's my video lecture on discharge over a triangular notch or triangular weir. The expression for the discharge over a triangular notch or weir is same and it is derived as let H is the head of water above the V notch and theta is the angle of notch. Consider a horizontal strip of water of thickness dH at a depth of h from the free surface of water as shown in figure. Now from figure we have tan theta by 2 is equal to AC upon OC. OC is equal to h minus small h. Hence AC equal to h minus h into tan theta by 2. Now width of the strip is equal to AB, which is equal to twice AC, and we know the value of AC by putting this value, that is width of strip is equal to twice into h minus h into tan theta by 2. Now the area of strip is equal to twice h minus h into tan theta by 2 into dh. The theoretical velocity of the water through strip is under root of twice gh. Therefore, discharge through strip dq is equal to cd into area of strip into theoretical velocity, which is equal to twice cd into h minus small h into tan theta by 2 into under root of twice gh into dh. Hence, now the total discharge through a triangular notch or weir is given by q is equal to integrating from 0 to h twice cd into h minus small h into tan theta by 2 into under root of twice gh into dh is equal to twice cd into tan theta by 2 into under root of twice g into h into h raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 minus h raised to 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2 bracket raised to h raised to 0. And the final equation is 8 by 15 into cd into tan theta by 2 into under root of twice g into h raised to 5 by 2. And for right angle V notch, if CD equal to 0.6, then the value for theta is value of theta is 90 degree. Therefore, tan theta by 2 is equal to 1. Now the discharge Q is equal to 8 by 15 into 0.6 into 1 into under root of twice G, that is 2 into 9.81 into h raised to 5 by 2, which is equal to 1.417 h raised to 5 by 2. Now a problem, find a discharge over a triangular notch of angle 60 degree when the head over the V notch is 0.3 meter and assume the value of CD is 0.6. Now solution, the given is angle of V notch 60 degree, that is theta. The head over the notch is 0.3 meter, it is h, and CD is 0.6. Now the formula for discharge over a V notch is Q is equal to 8 by 15 into CD into tan theta by 2 into under root of twice G into h raised to 5 by 2. Hence we get the discharge, that is equal to 0.04 meter cube per second. The advantages of triangular notch or triangular weir over rectangular notch or weir are as follows. The expression for discharge for right angle V notch or weir is very simple. Second advantage is that for measuring low discharge, a triangular notch gives more accurate results than a rectangular notch. In case of triangular notch, only one reading, that is H, is required for the computation of discharge. And last, the ventilation of triangular notch is not necessary, which is required in the rectangular notch or weir. To get more videos related to agriculture and agricultural engineering, subscribe the channel AgroNears. Thank you.